Hey everyone, thanks to all of you who liked and subscribed to my channel. I hope you are through with my first video and ready to move further. This is Ankush, your mentor, and I promise you I won't let you down. Again, please subscribe to this full stack web development course so that you do not miss any lesson. Anyways, so let's continue with HTML from where we left in first video. Here we go. So back to the same file again. I'm right clicking it, opening it with text editor. It opens now. Now we were here in last video, so let's talk about nested listing here. Let us say in this li I want to give some sublisting. So you can give any order list or unordered list. I'm giving unordered list for now, and type is circle this time. Let's copy a few things from here itself without wasting for the time. Copied. Control S, save. I'm opening it in browser. See, it's taking a while to load. Just a sec. Yeah, it's loading. The path is same, and as you can see here, this is a sublist created here. I can also give some title here. Let us say this is my sublist. Now let's see what happens. This is my sublist, and there are items inside it. How about if I want to give it bold? So, but before going further, let me give some formatting items. Here, B stands for bold, B is closed, strong is similar to bold, and I italic, EM similar to italic. This is teletype formatting. TT is closed. What else? Yes, U stands for underline. U is closed. Let us refresh our browser and see bold, strong. But these guys are in one line. How about if I want to separate into to another lines? So what I do, there is a tag called BR. BR stands for line break, and there is no closing tag for BR. This is an empty tag. The other name for these guys, H1, S2, S2, S3, S3, and so on, every single tag that is closing, that is opening, we can call it container tags. But the guys which has no closing tag are called empty tags. So I just give one BR here that stands for line break, and let me go here and I'm refreshing my page. See, the line is there, line break happened, and now what I'm doing, I'm just Control C, Control V, that is copy and paste, shortcut for copy and paste, and I have given number of line breaks here. Now let's see what happens. Bold, strong, this is bold, strong is similar to bold, italic, emphasis is similar to italic, teletype formatting. See the differences between the text that is appearing here. Now let us say everyone is aware about formula of water. Let us say if I want to type S2O, how do I type it? This is my S2. This is my water. This is my water. Okay. Formula of water. All right. Let's say I'm doing this in B. So formula of water is S2O. Everyone is aware about. But this is not looking good. This is not good. So what I do sub. Sub stands for subscript. So see, this is looking good now. Now how about if I want to type some algebraic equation? So let us say this time I'm doing strong. My math formula This strong is closed. Now a square a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Let us see how it looks. It's not looking good. Oops, let me give BR here so that my water and math formula are in 2 lines. I just give line break. So it's in 2 lines. My page is touching the bottom, so let me give multiple line breaks here so that copy, paste. Now my page will, I can easily scroll down because there are a number of line breaks here. So a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is not looking good. So what I'm going to do here, what I'm doing, sub stands for superscript, and I'm just copying pasting it to save my time. All the 2's in the formula are going to replace with superscript tags. These guys are here. See, is it looking good? Cool. So my page has a lot of text, so I just want to clean it, but make sure you do not do that because you are practicing. So until here I clean it, until here I clean it. I need this lorem ipsum again because before going further, let's talk about these things. How about if I want to give something in between? Bold. This is bold, and this is U. This is U stands for underline. Do you see that? Underline text, and this is bold text. Anyways, so what I was telling, one more thing. One empty tag is line break. Do you know another empty tag? This is HR. That stands for horizontal rule. Now let us see what does this do. You see, this line is here. This is a horizontal line. I can also add this line here. Horizontal line, the text is in 2 horizontal lines, and it looks like something this. Now, this is my paragraph. I'm removing this attribute. I'm also removing these guys. So, underline is removed. Now, my paragraph is simple again. Now, let us say I'm having multiple paragraphs. Let us remove this horizontal rule again from here. And there, I'm having multiple paragraphs on my page. My page looks like this, and I want to increase the length of this paragraph. What I do, I just copy paste randomly just to save my time and your time. This is how it looks now. Now assume you want to write some quotation here. A famous quotation has been said by some famous person. So generally in textbooks, you must have seen that famous quotations are always distinguished. So for that, I'm having a tag called block quote. BLOCKQUOTE. Block quote is there. Let us say this statement is said by some very famous person, and I'm closing it here. This is again a container tag, and as you can see here, this is the famous quotation said by some famous person, and there's a line gap here. This is distinguished from my normal text. All right, so a few more things before I forget to. A few more formatting things. Del, it is this for delete, or let me say text with strike through. Del, let me see what is the output of this. See here, text with strike through, and the alternate of this strike. Let me refresh my page. This is strike. Let me say something here. Boom, boom, boom. And this is strike through. That's it. And one more thing is there, ins, that's for insertion. This is for insert, ins. Let me see what happens. This is similar to underline. That's good. All right. So I'm removing this, removing all these guys, removing heading as well. And now what? Now I want to include image in my page. So what do? I want to include image here. So for including image tag is there, src, that means image source, and this is closed. Now I want to have some image here. What do? Sample image. This is image. All right. Right click, open image in new tab. I got, this is a long path. This is base 64 image, but let us copy this thing. This is not a good name, but let us see. See, image has come. Let me find some JPEG. Sample image JPG. All right, so this seems to be a JPG. I'm picking flowers. Okay, let me pick this thing. Open image in new tab, and this is opening something. It's taking a while. Let me open something else. Open image in new tab. Okay, this is again a bad one. I don't like this. It's kind of wasted of time, but let us say I'm opening here in new tab. This thing is taking a while, but while it is loading, let me tell you a few things about it. Let us say I'm removing this entire source from here right now. So this is source. Now assume your internet speed is slow and image somehow is not loaded on your page. Now what can be displayed? So for that we have alt is equal to alternate text. All right. So this is the alternate text. The image is still taking a while. So what I'm doing, I'm finding some image from my local machine. I minimize it. There is okay, these images are already here. I can pick something from here. Stereogram. Okay. I'm copying this path here. I go back to my editor and I'm pasting it. Stereogram1.jpg. See, the stereogram is there, but this is very big. I don't want this big. So width is equal to 100. Width is 100 and height is automatically proportionally reduced. So width is 500. This is this much big. Let's say something in between. 250. This is this much big. So height is automatically proportionally reduced, but I have seen some guys HEIG who give both the parameters. So if I give second parameter, say 250 by 250, and as you can see, this is stressed in height. This is not good. So try to give one parameter, one only, either height or width. So if you are giving height, width is automatically proportionally adjusted. If you are giving width, then the height is automatically proportionally adjusted. So for this time, I'm just giving width. Now I want to include this image in my paragraph here, but before going further, let me tell you what is the meaning of alt. So let's say I'm giving wrong path. I just rename, type something, some random thing, and this image of course is not there in my machine. I type image 13, I'm refreshing my page, and as you can see, the image, this icon is there, but this time alternate text is here. So what I'm doing, I'm saying be a web developer. So alternate text is this, but if I'm having the correct path of my image, then the image is there, then the alt text is not there. Sometimes You want to know what this image is all about. So for these things, we have title. Title. This is a stereogram. I refresh my page, I move my mouse here, and you can see this is a stereogram. It's popped up. It's the title of the image. And another benefit of alt is, from SEO point of view, make sure you give proper alternate text description of image. The reason behind this, Google and search engine pick this name. So in this way, for example, if your name is Sebastian and someone searches for Sebastian, then Google will pick this Sebastian name and your image will be displayed on Google. So this is the thing. So what I'm doing, I'm copying pasting this image tag here in paragraph. I just pasted it, and now let's see what happens. My text is there, it's stuck here, it's not looking good. I want to move my text up. So what we align is equal to left, align left. See, now x space is equal to 10, so that adds to my horizontal space between image and text, and this is how my image is there. Now if I do align right, my image goes to the right direction, and that's it. And other headings are top, bottom, say top. Now let's see what happens. It's on top, but this time my text is not properly adjusted. So the best thing is do left. I let the image be at the left hand side all the time, or right hand side, depending on the kind of website or the kind of page you are making. So this is there. So that's all for now. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching and progressing together. Please subscribe to it and share it with your friends so that you grow together and become a super web developer after completion of this course. See you soon in my next video. Till then, have a good luck and good time. Thank you.